Yeah, today, interesting enough, I had the opportunity to change a Q screen in a 2019 Cadillac Escalade Premium, may I add. A customer came to me with little concerns, and just keep this in mind, I'm a plumber. I feel like I can build a rocket ship, and they have that much faith in me as well. And so, as everything that I do now in this day and age, I research everything. So I went to YouTube and got a little infomercial on doing the reinstallation and me and my son just attacked it like we always attack things, being proactive and never giving up on stuff. It's relatively easy to install. Just have patience. Everything is snap and go. The hardest part was removing the trim kit off the unit. We did not want to snap or damage it, crack it. But other than that, the upgrade is definitely was worth it. And to add, I saved the customer a little over $1,000. The quote from the dealership was 1,850. The aftermarket stereo was paid was $300, and you guys can do the math after that. And the customer is very happy. I just hope they don't come to me next time asking me, "Hey Bill, can you build me a house?" Uh, that we're still working on. But I can put all the pipes you need in that house, that's for sure. But we're not too far off. But again, this is another check under my belt, me and my son. I feel like we can do it all. And there's the finished product. Amazing. Very amazing. Can we build it? Yes, we can. And this concludes our little, well, if you want to call it, documentary of installing a 2019 Q screen in a 2019 Premium Cadillac Escalade. Thanks for listening. And remember, whatever you put your mind to, you can do it. And whatever you start, finish.